Hi everyone, RJ here. If you've watched any of my videos and even watched this one, then you can obviously see that I have a disability and that I use a wheelchair. And I also have issues with my left hand to where I'm unable to use it as much as I can use my right hand. So I do a lot of things one-handedly. So today I would like to talk to you about video games and my ability to use them. When I was young, I got a Nintendo, and when I first got it, it comes with a controller with a standard D-pad. However, I was unable to play any of the games. I was not able to jump over the little gap in Super Mario, and it was just hard for me to push the little button, the D-pad, and maneuver it around to go the direction that I wanted to, and push the A and B button at the same time. Also, it was hard to do it one-handed too, for the same reason. And the D-pad was far apart from the A and B button. So, my family and I had to come up with some alternatives, and they found an arcade-style joysticks, which it was such an eye-opener. They bought it for me, and I was actually able to play the games. I used my left hand to control the joystick, while I used my right hand to push the A and B button. And I was able to do both of them simultaneously. It was wonderful. I love playing video games ever since. I was just so happy to be included and be able to play video games with my friends, and just, that was so amazing to me when I was young. Unfortunately, I do not have any videos of me playing with a joystick, which, by the way, was called an NES Advantage. But I do have a photo of the joystick and me playing with the joystick, and I'll put them here. So over time, Nintendo has come out with several systems, and the most recent one is the Switch. And I've been trying to play with that with my friends. However, it too comes with controllers that have a D-pad or a tiny joystick. And once again, that is very difficult for me to move the joystick around, even to do it one-handed. It's not that accessible. So a friend of mine found a third-party controller, a joystick that enables me to play with the games with my friends, so I can be included in all that. So that is so wonderful. I love it, and I use it frequently, and that one I do have a video of, so I'll put that here, me playing a game. Here I have the 8bitdo third-party Nintendo arcade-style joystick. I absolutely love it because it's reminiscent of the old NES Advantage arcade-style joystick. And like I said, it lets me be included and I can actually play the games like everyone else. And I will show you by playing Super Smash Bros. Ultimate on the Nintendo Switch. And that's how you do it. So once again, I appreciate the 8bitdo Nintendo arcade-style controller joystick. It is amazing. It lets me play the games, it lets me be involved with my friends while they're playing games. I just enjoy it so much. Okay, so now Nintendo has recently put out little mini games called Game of Watches. They have a Mario one and a Zelda one. However, that too has a D-pad right attached to it. We have the same problem. I'm not able to use the D-pad with my left hand, and even to use my right hand only, I have to rotate the screen, so the visual of it is just not all that great, and I still have a hard time, moving around the joysticks and hitting the buttons simultaneously. And I'll show you what I mean in this video here. Here is the Nintendo The Legend of Zelda Game & Watch. And as you can see, it has the standard D-pad. Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm not able to do this very well, or at all. Okay, that was just a little bit, but as you can see, I have a very hard time pressing a D-pad with my fingers. I tried to do it with my knuckles, but it's not that great, and it's hard for me to see the screen with my hand in the way, and it's just not very convenient. And I'm not able to make the little guy go in the direction that I wanted to. So let me show you the one-handed version. It's a little bit easier, however, the D-pad and the buttons are far apart, and I have to rotate the screen, and it's really difficult to make the guy go in the direction that I wanted to while concentrating on pressing the buttons simultaneously. So I just wish there was a joystick that you can either attach to the D-pad or have a joystick plugged in the side or Bluetooth. So yeah. So my suggestion to Nintendo or any other video game system company, when you come out with a new system and controllers, please come up with an arcade-style joystick so that people with disabilities issues with their hands are able to be included in gaming and with their friends so we can all play video games together. I would really appreciate that because, like I said, the joysticks that I had with my first Nintendo was awesome. It really opened my eyes and let me be a part of it. And then with the Switch, having the other joysticks is a blessing. So my suggestion to video game company is to offer some alternative to have an arcade-style joystick actually be attached to the game, like with a Game & Watch, or somehow connected to the system, either wired, wirelessly, or Bluetooth. That would be such a great achievement if that could be done for inclusivity. So, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something. Please share with any video gamers or video game companies if you know any. So, have a good one, and bless and be.